I'm back again with another Bob's Your Uncle video. I've been, I don't know if you've looked at any of the other videos I posted, but I've been working on MCP servers, Model Context Protocol from Anthropic, and it's a way to allow these various LLMs to kind of talk to each other and also get external data. So I wanted to actually put together something that's more than just a contrived hello world or, return a resource ID from something, So anyways, so I just started tinkering with this, but today I'm going to go over what I've been working on, learning more about tools, resources, and prompts. Haven't done anything with prompts yet, but I'm sure I'll get there. But this is what I have so far. So there's this website here, Integrated Post-Secondary Education Data System, and they have a whole bunch of surveys broken down by year, so you can go here for whatever year, and then they have a variety of these surveys that you can get information on. So like what we're going to be going over is the completions one. So if you look at this, and then there's got like 5 different ones you can get the data for, and here's the data file, and then they have a dictionary here that describes what each one of the fields inside the CSV look like. So let's go ahead and look at, I think we'll probably try to get this one today. So if we look at this guy here, you can see this is that file. I downloaded it to just to kind of show you. So they have all these different columns and then just a whole bunch of data for all these universities. And what I want to do is, this first go around is just the percentage of completions by male or female. I want to add down the road the so you can give the university name, like University of Colorado. So this is the unit ID here. This is ties back over to another sheet, which is right here, like this. So this unit ID ties here. So you can see 654 is Alabama A&M University. And then these are the columns we're interested in right now. This is the total graduates, this is the male, and this is the female women. So I want to just do a pretty basic percentage thing. Using NumPy to do that, and I had I had Cursor write that for me too. So anyways, so all we're doing essentially is doing posts and gets to this to whittle it down to the information we want. And then I'm using HTTPX to do that. And then I think it's called Beautiful Soup to get all the HTML back and then look up the information we need. So this particular table right here is, I think they call it, what do they call it? Placeholder or content placeholder table results for this particular page. And I'll have all this, and then I just want to extract out certain information like the data file, the href download, the year, and all that stuff. And then we'll feed that eventually to this Python program that's that I had Cursor write for me. So let's go ahead and kick this off. So I went ahead and have done this already. And I'm using Claude Code, as I said. I have done this all in Claude with the exception of the Python stuff. But Claude Code just has a lot more access to command line tools and your machine and stuff like that. So let's look at my MCP servers that we have running here. Oops. Control, I did the wrong one here in the wrong window. So these are the ones that we have running right now. Probably just use the file system one and this iPads, which is the one that I wrote with all the different tools in it. And this is the directory where we'll write the stuff, the workspace. So I already did the UV stuff for the pandas to install that and have the environment set up. But I mean, you can just tell it to install this stuff, as you go. Like create a virtual environment using UV and, install this package via add and all that junk. I mean, it's just crazy what this thing can do. And then here's my workspace. There's nothing in there now. Oh, actually, no, sorry. This is that completion percentage Python script that I had Cursor write for me to do all this. So it pretty much wrote this entire thing. I didn't write anything. I did tell it to add this argument parser stuff, but I mean, it's pretty trivial for these LLMs to do that nowadays. All right, so yeah, let's kick this off. So initially I'm going to say this. What are all the years available for the iPad surveys? So this will go call my tool, and it's going to, right there you can see here, get available years. Okay, all the years that are available. All right, that's cool. And then let me put this one in here. All right, what are the available surveys for 2023? And then this is the other tool. Goes there and passes the year in, downloads all those. Okay. And then then remember, if we do this, we want to get the completions for 2023. And I know it's survey number 3, but I could tell it to return that too. Let's see. Let me try this again. Let's do it this way. Can you return the title and the survey numbers? Let's see if it does that. Oh, I didn't even spell title wrong. There it is. That's what I wanted. Because I actually have a tool that takes in the ID. In this case, it'll be 3 and the completions. And then it does that post to that website to get all that data back. All right. So I just wanted to tee that up for this next one. Then I said here, what are the downloadable surveys for completions? Survey number 3 for the year 2023. Run that, and it's calling my, see there's passed in the survey number and the survey year, and it lists all these out. And let's do this for extra credit. This one here. So what are the surveys available to download for completions for 2023 where the award level is by gender, race, and age? So it should hopefully return just number 3. Yep, there it is, number 3. This one there, okay. All right, now I want to tell it to download the file and unzip the file into a directory you have access to. I say if the files already exist, go ahead and delete them first. So let's go ahead and kick this off. Now it's going to call another tool, calling that file system to check, make sure those files don't exist. And then it was right there. I was able to download it. I don't know why it's doing that, but whatever. Okay. All right. So inflated all that junk. You got to look into that a little bit. I mean, it finished, so he was able to do it. So there's the file we want right there. Now I want to tell it to here. So using UV, run workspace completion percentage.py with the -o, which is the output, and the -f with the full path to the CSV file that you just extracted up here. Also write a summary to a summary.txt file. So this is going to do UV run and then that, or it should. So I don't know why it's doing this. No, let's just tell it here. Let me see. I already have UV and the needed packages installed. You'll just need to let's do this. UV run this. Let's try this again. Okay. All right. So I did that. Oh, geez, man, this stuff just blows my mind. I mean, look at this. It's crazy. Now it's right in the summary. All right. So there it is. It ran that, passed it to the CSV file to there, got all the information. These are the columns it wanted, and it did the percentages, calculated all that. Oh my God, we're all toast. And then write the file to here. So the summary, let's go see what this thing looks like. I think this is probably going to be all of the, all the raw data. Okay, that's fine. And then here's the summary. Hopefully it should be all that. So this, and let's go this. Yeah, there it is right there. Wow. This is just amazing. I mean, for the stuff I do a lot of data engineering work. I can really see this. I mean, for some stuff, obviously, you're not even going to need to move data around anymore. You could just have these LLMs do it. I mean, this is just totally batshit crazy. And there you go. So next time I'm going to try to get it to output the university name and maybe add some filtering to it, make it a little bit more usable report in this, in this summary thing. So anyways, let's see how much this cost me. 28 cents. Who cares? So there you go. Bob's your uncle again, and hope you all have a great day. Talk to you later.